Hi guys, in today's video, my husband and I are going to show you how we unboxed, fluffed, and decorated our tree for Christmas using gold and white, hoping that it gives you some great ideas as to how you can decorate your space for the holidays. And this video is sponsored by Lasperal. My name is Marlene, and welcome to my home and garden channel. So guys, these are some of the items that we use. You can see my beautiful white ornaments on the left, and I've had those for so many years. And this is a beautiful 37 count set of gold ornaments from Old Time Pottery. There are 6 different types in there. And also from the same store, I got these burlap ribbons, and they were actually embellished with the gold snowflakes, and I thought that was so cute, and that would pick up really nicely with the color scheme that we were going with. And they were wired at the ends. And then over here we have some snowflakes, and these were from the dollar store, and those are the kind of like translucent, you can almost see through those with a little sparkle. You can see that on there. And these are some solid white ones. They had glitter on them. It's not showing here, but it was so pretty. And then right here we had some beautiful turtle doves. These, I've had them for so many years, and you can see they have the different shades of gold on there. So if you're doing like a mixed metal theme, then this would go really well. Or maybe even if you're using pink, I think that this would pick up, like that kind of a blush, it would pick up really well with that too. And over here I had some little plastic bells that look like crystals, and those nice sparkling colors, showing through there as well. So we're going to go ahead and get to the unboxing, and my husband actually was kind enough to do that for me. And you may remember that we chose E8, which was number 4 from a previous video. We had guys that helped us to decide which one to choose, and we were so thankful because we were kind of like undecided which way to go. So this is it right here, guys. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it so you can actually see what it looked like. And I always say, try to get some help if you can, because these trees are heavy. Some of them are really heavy, so you want to get some help, when you're doing the unboxing, if that's possible. And it actually had 3 parts to it. They labeled everything A, B, and C to make it easy for you. They had instructions inside there that helps you to put everything together. So, they made it pretty easy. And also, just to say that my husband is normally the one who does the fluffing of the tree. So he's going to be doing that for us today. So I'm certainly appreciative of that. So this is the base right here. And then he went ahead and put the base in it, which would have been C. And just tighten them in there. And just be careful. You don't want to get any pinches on your fingers or anything like that. So just, exercise extra caution and make sure that it's still like a plus. It's shaped like a plus or like a T, so that way it's standing up firmly. And then he went ahead and just started to gently fluff it out just a little bit, just to have an idea of what it would look like. And he has the patience for this, so I always just say, just go ahead and do it. I'll watch. It's good to take a break sometimes, and just, have someone else help you every now and then. And then you went ahead and put the other part, and of course you want to connect your wires to the appropriate spots so you can get your lighting going. And those instructions will be inside the box as well. And he just went in and fluffed them out, to give it that nice 3-dimensional look, piece by piece. And then we just let it sit there like for a whole day. And then at this point, you'll want to turn your lights on to make sure that they're connected properly and that they look good spatially. And if you want, you can always, like add extra lights to it. We didn't in this case, but you definitely can do that. Because you could see a little spot here and there where you could have taken some, but we figured it, it was fairly okay. So guys, before we go any further, I wanted to show you this beautiful Christmas tree skirt that I got. It's from Lasperal, and it's absolutely perfect for my tree. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly unbox it for you. So it came to me pretty quickly, good delivery time, We're gonna go ahead and get this opened up here with my box cutter. And I was just so excited to see what it looked like, because the pictures looked really nice, but you know how it is. You always want to see what it looks like in person. Guys, I'll be placing the Amazon link below if you are interested in getting one of these lovely skirts for your home. And so this is what it looks like, and you can see the gold. The gold is just popping. I just really like that. So we're gonna go ahead now and get it opened. I'm so glad that they reached out to me, because look at this, guys. Isn't this beautiful? And I'm telling you, it actually looks so nice, and it feels so soft. My son, he actually took it up and put it over his shoulders because it was just feeling so good. I'm just like, oh my goodness, it's wonderful. And it had Velcro on it to put together. So guys, this is the ribbon I'm going to be using. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And that's the first thing you'd want to do to put on the tree. And you just go in and you just tuck it in. And I highly recommend a ribbon that's no narrower than 2.5 inches. So like 2.5 inches, even up to 4. You can even use a 4-inch ribbon if you like. And it makes the job so much easier, because when they're narrow, it doesn't look as good, and it's a little bit more difficult to place the ribbon. So I highly recommend it. And I went down on a slant with mine. Of course, you can do it, just straight horizontal, or you can even do it vertical from top to bottom if you like. But this is how I like doing mine. So you just tuck it in, and you step back every now and then and just look to see how it's going. You can just decorate the front of the tree if no one's going to see behind it, and just, make your job easier that way. And just, tweak it here and there to get it to look how you like. So that's a close-up right there, guys. And we actually did 2 rows of it. You can do 3 depending on how big your tree is, or, how you want to space it out. But that's how we did it. And then next we went ahead and just placed our ornaments on. And it started with the larger ones first, and you don't want to put all of them on, just a few of them at first to give you an idea of what it looks like. And a zigzag pattern is highly recommended. What you put on one, you just zigzag all the way across. And then you fill in with some of the larger things like your snowflakes, or if you have icicles, you can put those on at this time, because you want to make sure they have enough space so they don't get crowded out, after the fact. And then next it was to go ahead and get our tree placed on after we put all our ornaments on. And now it's time for the reveal, guys. So let's go in and take a closer look. And this was a little bit later in the day, so you can see that the lights were, showing very nicely. And I just thought it just looked so beautiful. It had that nice twinkle, and of course we put our star on the top. So it's just positively glowing, and I really like that. You can see that it looks filled out, once you put everything in there, even if your tree does have a few gaps here and there. And I put a little arrangement off to the side that was matching onto it. So let's go in and take a closer look at it, guys. So you can see how everything came together. You can see how I spaced out the ornaments on there and the snowflakes. So this is her right here. I'm going to take a look under the tree, right by the skirt. And what I did was I, put just a few small items under it. That is nice candle. I put that there. You can put cards on there. There's a gift that's a hat that I put under there. I also put a little gift bag under there. And you fill it out, as the time gets closer to Christmas. And you can see I have a beautiful stuffed toy under there. It's a pony. But of course you can maybe use like a teddy bear or anything else like that to just give it that nice, childlike innocence of Christmas. That always just goes so well with your decor. And, if you've never subscribed to my channel, I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice. You can see all of my decoration videos. I do a lot of gardening as well too, but of course the garden is going to sleep right now because it's cold where I am, so there'll be less of those for right now, but you can always go back and watch other ones. And I'll also list my Christmas playlist at the end as well, so you can also look at other videos that I did as far as decorating your space goes. So aren't these gorgeous, guys? I hope it gave you some good inspiration. I don't know what colors you guys would want to use this year, what theme you're going for. But if you're going for gold and white, this is a perfect example. Or you could just use the whole, sequence of how we did it to help you in doing whatever style you choose to use. And of course, people use different types of tree toppers. We've always used this star, over the most recent years. People put angels on there. Sometimes they'll use like little, they'll use the picks that are large and they stick out to give it more three dimension, popping out more. So that's also another option as well. We didn't use any picks this time, but maybe next time I'll try doing that. So we love the skirt. It is beautiful. I'll link it in the description box below, so you can always go on there and purchase one if you like. It's just such a good product. I really, really like it. I absolutely am glad that I got it from them. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I do thank you so much for tuning in today. I wish you all the best, you and your family, as you decorate together. Decorating the tree together is always such a nice, activity to do. Especially if your kids are a little bit older, they can help you with it. Or you could just do a couple's decoration like we did. Either way, it works really well. So I thank you so much for being so faithful and coming back every time. Hope you'll have a wonderful day and take care.